Nnoo Ndi Igbo n'ụbọchị nke taa. You are welcome to Ndi Igbo. Ndi bye. None. Today. I hope everybody is doing awesome. And in today's video, we are quickly going to look at Ejiri Ndi Igbo. How to spot an Igbo person from the crowd. Characteristics of an Igbo person. First of all, let me give you a little bit. If you are a foreigner or non-African, let me introduce the Igbo race to you. The Igbos are one of the largest ethnic groups in Africa, indigenous to the southeastern part of modern-day Nigeria. Their origins can be traced back thousands of years, with evidence of their existence dating as far back as the 9th century CE. The Igbo people have a rich cultural heritage that has been preserved through oral traditions, art, music, and various cultural practices. The Igbos are also known for their decentralized political system, which consists of autonomous communities and villages governed by a council of elders and titled men. Each community had its own distinct customs, beliefs, and traditions, but they shared a common language, Igbo, and cultural values. So, let's get into the video. How do you know? How can you spot an average Igbo man from the crowd? First, hasn't I like it ego too much? They say that we love money too much. Tell me, who doesn't like money? Who? Well, we love it. We not only love money, we are people who are naturally gifted and endowed with the gift of trade. You can see that in one of our own, Mama Ngozi Iwala, the leader or the president of the World Trade Organization. She is an Igbo woman. And when it comes to trade, we have a particular type of trade that we are known for, to a point that the Harvard and some other higher institutions in the West have actually adopted this as a course or program in their universities. The Igbo boy. As we can see in the recently published on Netflix, Afamefuna, this depicts the system. This system is woven in the course of our existence, passed down from our forefathers.
Igbo amaka. Onye Igbo anaghị aya ayịyọ. Onye Igbo anaghị ezu oshi. Ịgba mbọ.
We go to serve, we learn as we serve, and we trade for our masters, and then they establish us. They raise a huge amount of money and send us forth into the business world to start trading and replicate the same system. Therefore, these had helped us to preserve wealth, pass down wealth from one generation to another. I'm going to go into that in details later on in our subsequent videos. Ejiri Ndi Igbo nke abụọ. Our language, asụsụ anyị. Hi, Igbo amaka. Asụsụ anyị na-atọ. Hi. You know, Igbo language is one of those sweetest languages that you can groove with, you can vibe with, you can easily understand, you can learn easily. It is beautiful and it has these core meanings. It has these core explanations to things that you would wonder, oh my goodness, this is so accurate, you know. Also, dịka ejiri mara ndị Igbo bụ ije mba, Shimo gbanye oje mba. We can travel for Africa. Hey, guys, Igbos are naturally travelers, travel lovers. We love to travel. We migrate every time from here to there. Even within us, there are these, the Arachukus, the arrows within us. They migrate like this to a point that we have them. We have a chunk of them in every community in Igbo land. You have the Arochukwu in Ohafia. You have the Aro in Ngwa. You have the Aro in Ndi Igbo. You have Aro in so many places. I'm going to do another video on this, by the way. We are just touching down on Ejiri Ndi Igbo. We are travel lovers. Another Ejiri Ndi Igbo, we are almost in every part of this world. There's no part of the world that you go to and you will not find an Igbo man there. And there's a say that always goes, if you go to a place and you didn't see an Igbo man there, run, quit that place. Know that that place is uninhabitable. This is reality. We are almost like a thermometer, like an indicator that a place is good to live in and make a home. Ejiri Ndi Igbo ọzọ bụ na anyị bụ ndị oke amamihe, anyị na-akpọ brain, chimo, sense n'anya, wisdom no go kill us. We are so wise. Before we embark on any venture, we think through it back and front. Yes, I know that we have a little bit of an Igbo character in every African. And that is, by the way, that is so true also. But the Igbos are so wise. And we can born, a woman can go as far as having 10 children, 14, and then they kill a goat or a cow for a woman who birthed so many kids. That is another characteristic. And when I talk about the Igbos of our forefathers. Things are changing with the science and technology with the Igbos of today. But that notwithstanding, we are people who are known for birthing multiple children. And so, I'm gonna bring it to a wrap today. Hey, this is, by the way, going to be the first video that we are going to drop on this space, guys. We are on a cruise. This is Ndi Igbo. Sometimes anyị ga na-ekwu from A to Z of whatever that we're going to share with you guys in Igbo language. And most of the times we're going to mix it up because I'm aware that there are people who are learning this beautiful language in the universities. So we are making this resource available for all of them to come and practice and learn more about the language of the people that they are interested in. Until I see you guys, nke a bụ Ndi Igbo. Aha m bụ nwada Splendour Ngozi. Ka ọ dị nke anya fụrụ, ka ọ dị echi. Bye bye.